Alright, here's an update. I stocked the tank slightly with fish. Of course, got the clown. There's the clown. Get a better shot. Got a yellow-tailed damsel. Right now I'm feeding the tank, so got a cleaner shrimp. Blenny, lawnmower Blenny. Oh, I just pooped. Gross. And a Brittle Star. It's back there. I'm kind of upset that it's not sifting through the sand as advertised, but I'm sure it'll get down there sooner or later. There it is. The cleanup crew's doing pretty good cleaning up. They cleaned up from here that way, but from here there's all this algae left over. Hopefully they'll start moving over. And in a few days I'll have another Brittle Star down at the sump to try to stir things up down there. But this will be it for a while as far as stocking goes. Before I add anything else, I'll wait a while, several weeks, and see how that works out. I'm about to do a water change right now. Well, here later. Right now my calcium is at around 415, and my alkalinity is at around 2.5. So I want to bring up the alkalinity a little bit. And with that, I'm getting some pretty good coralline algae growing. In a few months it should really pretty much be covered. So that's it for now. If you have any comments, suggestions, whatever, let me know.